Hello and welcome to Glue. Today we'll show you how to use Glue whiteboards for your virtual brainstorming. First, touch the whiteboard icon on your tablet to bring one into the space. To start with, I will quickly make a note with today's brainstorming topic. Notes work great with the whiteboards. I've already identified the first 4 areas to consider for the brainstorming session, and I want them to be easily recognizable, so we will use different colors. Just grab your pencil, choose the color and the thickness, and write on the board. Now the board is ready. We can start the brainstorming. Well, that was an effective brainstorming session. Now let's save the progress. Click the camera icon to save whiteboard as an image to your team files. Now you can import it anytime if you need.